Harun Saab for a vote of thanks for the event.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I probably have the most easier job. I don't know if the minister has to rush out because I have a small summary to make. Should I or?
He has to rush.
Thank you very much. Dr. Sultan Saab, my sincere thanks for taking the time out. I know we all have to rush out for some important meetings. It's only because of the audience and the members supporting this type of events that we are able to do it. I'm most thankful to my all the colleagues in the industry, especially Taqi Saab, the chairman of the association, and his executive council, to give us a very free hand to organize these events. It was sheer empowerment to us that we could deliver such a big show on a very short notice despite so many hiccups. I would like to thank Mr. Razak Daud Saab for his extra support in organizing this event. My thanks to Tariq Ikram Saab, who flew all the way from Karachi with us to deliver his talk. My thanks to Khalid Mansoor Saab, who's taking time out. My sincere thanks to my colleague Osman for brilliantly presenting the pharmaceutical industry case. My thanks to all the CEOs of the pharma industry who took part in the roundtable discussion. Khalid Mahmood Saab, Dr. Qurratul Ain Irfan, Mia Asad Shuja Saab, Javed Ghulam Saab, and Zahid Saeed Saab, for giving their point of views, for giving food for thought for the government officials, how we can jointly progress the exports of the pharma industry. We all know we lost a very dear friend of ours, Mohammad Zakaur Rahman Saab, who was very instrumental in the affairs of the PPMA, and I'm thankful to his son who took time for delivering his obituary. In the end, I thank to Dr. Kaisar Wahi Saab for giving me the opportunity to organize such a big event at such a short notice. And the last but not least, I would like to thank Terabiz, especially Mr. Hamza Hashmi, for putting this show and giving this a very intellectual contribution to having this show organized at such a short notice. Thank you once again for all the participants who came on time and who participated despite their busy and hectic schedule. And I'm thankful to all the participants, and my sincere congratulations to all the winners who are leading the exports of the pharma industry. And as many speakers mentioned, that we have a long way to go and we have the potential to grow. So all my best wishes to all the pharma exporters of the pharma industry of Pakistan to touch the new milestones in the next few years. Thank you very much. The show is over.
May I please request Dr. Asim to stay back? We just have three short panels and people to thank. May I please request Dr. Asim Kaisar, आप लोग अगर यहाँ आ जाएं. The CEO roundtable that I rushed through, I will request you to please come on stage so at least we can give you a memento of a token of our appreciation. Just give me one moment. The Managing Director and CEO of Getz Pharma, Mr. Khalid Mahmood, can you please come on stage and accept a token of our gratitude? The Executive Vice President of Pacific Pharmaceuticals Limited, Dr. Qurratul Ain Irfan. You will proceed him. After Dr. Qurratul Ain, it will be Mr. Mia Asad Shuja, who's the Chief Executive of the Shazoo Pharmaceutical Laboratories. I don't know why I keep saying that. थोड़ी सी तालियां बजा देंगे तो जब आप कॉफ़ी चाय पिएंगे तो और मज़ा आएगा आपको. Khalid Saab, don't go far. We'll want a group photograph with you also after. Dr. Qurratul Ain. Mr. Mia Asad Shuja. Mr. Zahid Saeed, Managing Director of Indus Pharma. And last but not least, the Managing Director of Martin Dow, Mr. Javed Ghulam Mohammed. Audience, request for your support. Just a few more times that you have to clap. And a group photograph of the CEO panel. We also have to thank one of our speakers who gave the keynote address, Mr. Usman Khalid Waheed, who's the CEO of Ferozens Laboratories Limited. If you can start making your way on stage. If the CEO Roundtable panel, if you're done, you can step off stage and we'll have the CEO of Ferozens Labs here. And last but not least, in the list of awards, we have one more award to give, which I had perhaps overlooked, and that is Fink Pharmaceutical. May I please have the representative, Mr. Yasser Liaqat, to come and receive his award, his company's award, Fink Pharmaceutical. If the representative from Fink Pharmaceutical is here, Fink Pharmaceuticals is also one award recipient. For award recipients who still need to have their awards changed or collect the boxes, please contact the desk on my right. Thank you very much for your patience. Please stay safe. Please follow COVID SOPs. And I can only pray and sincerely hope that all of you within
And a memento and a big round of applause for Rabia Garib, who has been our host for this whole day today.
May I please request Mr. Naeem Qureshi to also come on stage and receive a token of gratitude from us? Naeem Saab from Publicity Channel. Oh, आगे. वो उस तरफ से आ रहे हैं. Thank you very much for your patience. Please continue to stay on in the hall and outside and celebrate how far your industry and your sector peers have come. Thank you very much for your patience, and inshallah we will see you again next year.